Hey all, uh, let's solve today's Leetcode daily. Just watched the World Cup, so I'm feeling bit sleepy. So sorry if my voice is not good. So it says shift to DRA. I haven't solved it before. Let me reset the timer and start the stopwatch. Let's go. 2D grid, m cross n size, integer k. You need to shift the grid k times. Elemented grid of I comma j moves to I comma j plus 1. And I comma n minus 1 moves to I plus 1 comma 0. Does this give us bit of I n minus 1? Okay. Bit of n minus 1 and n minus 1 moves to bit of 0 comma 0. Okay, so basically every element moves to one towards right, and the last element of the current row will move to first element of the next row, and last element of the last row move towards zeroth element. For suppose you can see 1 goes here, 2 goes here, 3 goes to next row, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So the brute force approach, what you would do, you will traverse k times and you just shift all the elements by the given conditions. So it would take O of k star m cross n, since we are applying k operation for m cross n matrix. Let me go through constraints. So m and n can be up to 50 and k can be up to 100. So 100 into 50 into 50, what would be that? 50, 50, 2500 into 100, 2,50,000. So it is possible, you can do that approach. Constraints will help you to get there, but is there any optimal approach? If you look here, current element will shift towards k times. So now you need to understand where that k falls. K says it can be till 100. So first you need to know k. Suppose if k is 1, it goes here 2, 1 goes here 3, 1 goes here 4, 1 goes here 5, 1 goes here 6, 1 goes here 7, 1 goes here 8, 1 goes here. For 9, again it comes here. What does it mean? So if k becomes multiple of m cross n, then it comes back to first place. And from the first place, what will be the k? K will be remainder. Suppose k is 1, it just shifts 1. If k is 9, it again comes to 0, right? So here 9 in the sense m cross n. K will be m cross n. K will be percentile of m cross n. Suppose if it is 0, it stays as it is. If it is 1, if it is 9, it comes to 0 again. If it is 18, it is percentile of 9, it comes to 0 here. So here you are avoiding the repetitive k pattern. I know this does not happen all the times, but still you are reducing the worst case complexity. Here you are trying to change k star m cross n to k percentile m cross n complexity. For the large k values and small m cross n values, this is a huge advantage. Now first you find k cross m cross n, and then you apply the same pattern. One will be current element, I will be how can I say, suppose you have I comma j. Now you need to shift current value to k times. How do you get that? If you are I comma j and you need to move k terms 0 comma 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose k is 5. is 5, you need to remove rows first. So number of columns, sorry. Now you need to go k. Now I row will be I plus k percentile n. Now if it is sorry, k by n. Now column will be j plus k percentile n, because now if you see k is 5, one should reach towards fifth position, right? 1 2 3 4, sorry, k is 4, one should reach towards fifth position. Now for to get 4, it needs to satisfy 3 columns above, and it needs to come 2 here. So sorry, here I is 0, 0 plus k by n. K is 5, 5 by 3 is 1, floor of 5 by 3. One thing I'm missing here is, if I need to move k terms, I need to move only more k. If I need to go 5, then actually from the current position I'm going to k plus 1 times, right? So now if it is 5, I need to check in terms of 6. 6 percentile 3, it will be 2. No, that's not the case. 5 by 3. Yeah, that's the scenario. Right. Now j will be, suppose I'm at 1, I need to go 5. 5 percentile 3, how much it will be? 2. 0 1 2. 5 percentile 3. Yeah. Does this also happen here? Suppose I'm at 3, I need to go 5 positions. 1 2 3 4 5. 0 comma 0. 0 plus 5 by 4 is, floor of 5 by 4 is 1, 1, and 5 percentile 4 is 1, 1 comma 1. Yeah, makes sense. This is right. So let's go into implementation phase. Now first we have grid. Int m is grid dot size, because it is number of rows. Int m equals to grid of 0 dot size. It says number of columns. Now we have k. Now k percentile equals to m cross n. Since it is integer, I am not worrying about making them long, right? Now we have k. How to shift the elements is the key thing. Not just going elements towards right, but we need to also push elements towards top. It will be like I star m plus n, right? It is 1 comma 0. It means I have 10 elements completed, and I star m plus I star m plus j. Yeah, it's I star m plus j. Right. Let me think. what will be the k value? It is I star m, because previous to all the rows I have n elements, plus in the current row I have, this is crazy, I star n plus j, right? J is 0 plus 1 should be there. Okay, now I am doing k percentile m cross n. Now I need a new array, since I need to push elements from top and also move from bottom to top. I can't do in a single operation. I need a 2D new vector int. I take it as result of m comma vector int of m. Sorry, m cross n, right? I thought it is m cross n. M comma, need of any default value here. Now we just go through all the rows less than m cross n I plus plus. Okay. Now what will be the ith value? And then I will be I plus k percentile m cross n percentile m cross n. Now result of ni by n and ni percentile n is equals to grid of same I by n and I percentile n. Sorry, my voice is bit low because I did not get good sleep. Forgive me. Let's go. Return result. Let me check the code again. Side plus n plus j plus 1. So n by n I percentile n for the j. I plus k percentile n star m for total. Here converting it into a linear array, and we are performing. So time of n cross m, since we are taking all the elements as a linear array and we are shifting it similar to like linear array, push all the elements from left to right. We have that question, right? Move the last k elements to the first of array, same here. And space, we need a new array to do this. Can't we do with a current array? Let me think before I answer. Since we need to do bottom to up and top to bottom, let me think. I'm thinking like whether we can swap elements instead of assigning new elements. Suppose I have 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 here. I'm just thinking it as a linear array, and I need to shift 5, 6 towards left. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need to move 5, 6 to the left. I just write I plus k percentile length of array. And this works. Now in our case it is m cross n grid. Now if we assign, we lose the reference for that value, so we need to store them in a temp variable such that they won't move. So yeah, I think we can try that approach. We can store in a temp variable and we can try that, so we can reduce the space to often. Now here, let's go from here. Let's store current in I, and let me remove this result. Now we need to store in temp. What will the temp variable be? The current, which is by n and current percentile n, because we are going to modify this later. I'm storing it in a temp. Now I will do it till when current is not equals to I. So while it is not equals to I, I'm just storing and replacing the elements. Now what will be the next? Next will be I plus k percentile n. I need I here, so I'm just doing current plus k percentile n. Now we got next, we need to swap temp and current. What is current? Rid of next by n and next percentile n, the same as current. I'm doing replacement swap for next. After doing, current will be next, and I just let me think here. I'm missing something, so person is there. So we should do till okay. Yes, I'm missing something here. So here we can't wait still. Start is less than n%. We need one more variable to check count how many squares we have moved, because we need a start, because start can be anything towards right, and it's the way we move should only fit towards one cycle. So I'll make count less than m%, and here I need to increment count. So if I get with the start, it will go with the multiple cycles, it will try to uh, replace multiple times. So I'm just getting here with this thing. Now I just need to I'm missing something. No, this is good. I just written it here. So now the complexity would be of 1% and of 1. Yeah, we are good. Let me run not when while uh, really. Wait, cross this. Check columns here. Right. I think this might be the issue. Yeah. Let me submit. Ooh, we did 100% because of this space reduction. Let's go. So the basic intent is we can have a new array and we can swap it, or else you can assume it as a linear array and you can swap in place by storing in a temporary variable. Yeah, the simple sorting technique. Yeah, bye. See you.